Hey Kerry, I can still see that the complete registration pixel is on that page still. So I'm not sure where you've got it, but you had it loaded in there twice. So if I go to the page source, I can see you have the base pixel there, which is correct. That's the one that we're after. But then again, you've got it doubled up just here. And then this piece of script here, this is the actual complete registration event that you've got loaded on there too. So somewhere you've got the event code on, oh sorry, the base code on there twice, and then this second time it's got the complete rego. So I'm not too sure how it's set up. I don't know how your pages are built, if they're through WordPress or OptimizePress. But if you want me to jump in and have a look, just send me your logins. But yeah, you've got it loaded on there twice. So there's a base code twice, and then this second time it also has the complete registration. So we only need this one here, so I can see straight away from here that we have complete rego and page view. So it's loaded up there twice. I'm not too sure how it's set up, so if you want me to jump in and have a look, or if you've got a developer or a designer who can do that for you, then let me know how you go.